In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Zoom mirror video. If you've ever noticed that your camera preview in Zoom looks flipped, like you're seeing yourself in a mirror, this is the setting that controls it. Turning off mirror video can make your on-screen preview appear more natural, especially if you're sharing text, demonstrating something on camera, or just want your video to display the way others actually see you. To get started, open your Zoom account on your computer. Once Zoom is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, select Settings. As soon as you click it, the Zoom settings window will open. This is where you can control different parts of your Zoom experience, including audio, video, background effects, and more. Now in the settings window, go to the left-hand panel and click on Video and Effects. This will take you to the area where Zoom manages your camera settings and visual preferences. Once you're there, make sure you're on the camera section or tab, since that's where the mirror setting is located. In the camera area, look for the option called Mirror My Video. Next to it, you'll see a toggle switch. If this setting is currently turned on, your preview will appear mirrored. To disable it, simply click the toggle so it turns off. As soon as you switch it off, your camera preview should update right away. This lets you immediately confirm the change, which is helpful if you want to compare the mirrored and non-mirrored views before joining or continuing a meeting. One quick tip: this setting mainly affects how your own video preview appears to you. In many cases, other participants may already be seeing your video in the correct orientation. Still, turning mirror video off can be useful if you want your preview to match what your audience sees. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Zoom mirror video. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and confident you feel on camera, especially during presentations, recordings, or meetings where visual accuracy matters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.